with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from Thailand. I believe this is the last of my Thai chef varieties that they sent over. Thank you again. This is their shrimp tom yum flavor. So let's do it to it. What do we got here? We've got a lid. What a shock. And we have a fork, which is, I used to collect these, and then I found these like little trident ones. Lots of different stuff. I know. Don't start. Don't get funny with me. So it is a wonderful Thursday here in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington, where it's... What? No, that was something just fell down. There's no thunder, sweetie. It's a bright, sunny day. It's a little cool, though. It's gonna get up to 70 something, but it's in the 40s, maybe about 50 right now. I know, soon it'll be way cold, and then when it hits temperatures like this, we'll be like, ooh, it's a nice mild day. Oh boy. That'll happen. The seasons, they are a change, and ladies and gentlemen, oh yeah. So there you go. But yeah, today's the second day of school for old Miles. Taking him out to the bus. This app we have that the school district did is pretty neat. And it... dag nabbit. Okay. Yes. I spilled. Happens sometimes. But anyways, yeah, the app works. So far I've been able to like... Oh, man. When it says it's gonna be late, it's a little late. So I'm down with that. I'd rather be late than early, honestly. I don't want to have that happen. I don't want to be like, oh yeah, ring ring. It's the school. It's the transportation department. They get plenty ticked off if your kid misses the bus. That is for certain. What's going on? Ooh, I got a box of noodles yesterday. And not today, not tomorrow, not the next day, but the day after that, I'm going to start reviewing some of them. So you'll get to see. The first one will be this. This is a New Touch chicken. This is from 5 a.m. Ramen. You can go to instantramen.jp and check out all this guy's stuff. This is fancy. New Touch, I think it's chicken shio? I can't remember, but yeah, pretty cool. So yeah. I don't know, I'm at a loss today. It's Thursday. These will be reviews 10, 11, and 12 for this week. I'm still hard-pressed when I'm going to do review number 4000, but it'll be out in the standard order, so but I guess I better do that pretty quick. Yeah. I wonder if it already got skipped over. I might have to do that this weekend. What I might have to do this weekend, though, that I'm really happy to do, is more chashu, because we're running low. Yeah, so might have to go over, buy a half a pork belly, roll it on up, tie it on up, bake it on up, shake and bake that sucker, and yeah. So maybe I'll just verbally give you the recipe for how we make chashu here at my house, because it's really easy. You'll see ones where people are using like expensive French cookware and all this crap, and all these ingredients. There's a recipe from a ramen restaurant that literally has 3 ingredients: pork belly, salt, and sugar, and that's it. There's nothing else. And it comes out Super good. So yeah. All right, 5 seconds. Here we are. And thank you. So here is our wee cup of noodles. So very wee. She's watching Frozen out there. Isn't it crazy? There's no screaming and yelling, no insanity. She comes and graces us with her presence from time to time, little Mimi. But for the most part, she's just up to chill. Noodle. Yeah. So this Thai chef stuff is made by Mama, and they're like the patron saint of instant tom yum. Nice lemongrass. Kind of light on the spicy. And a nice saltiness. I like it. It's nice. Here's my Thai bowl that was given to me by my sister-in-law. Gosh, I want to say like almost 10 years ago. And it took a long time for me to get make friends with this bowl. Like different bowls, I have to I have to get an understanding of how they work in what situation and with what. But this one I've finally gotten down with. It's cool. So yeah. Uh-oh. One moment while I yeah. Just pretend, just make pretend. Go to the neighborhood of make-believe for a minute. What is he doing? Why is he telling us to pretend? Why would he do that? What's he hiding? That's what you're supposed to be doing. He's hiding something from us. What is it? What could it be? Well, it's ice. That's what I'm hiding from you. These didn't thaw all the way. They had some ice on them. We got a little nice Thai chili right about there. And then a little bit of Thai basil from the garden. There. What else do we want to put on this thing? A little bit of seed. I really don't know what else I've got that's gonna work right with this. I wish I had more Thai seasonings and stuff. Oh, well, yeah. You can't go wrong, folks, with a little fried, salty, crispy garlic. You can't. Everyone in the Land's Drought enjoys it. Speaking of where you're at, the new Dune movie's already out. If you're not watching it right now, I don't know what's wrong with you. A little more of that crispy, crunchy garlic. I'll eat that piece. Yeah. Stunning. Amazing. Flavor beyond compare. Don't try to compare it. It'll bite you right on the eye. Let's rotate a little bit. Uh-oh. As always, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, go to Ramen Junkies. It's a Facebook group, and join up. You'll see my logo on it. Ramen Raiders, the Instant Noodles, the Ramen. Yeah, do it. We're at about, we're a little past 70,000 members. Join. Show your noodles. And the next one will be this True Love Spicy Beef Noodles. Made in Taiwan for the Hong Kong market. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Don't go change it. Bye-bye.